Good morning, guys. It is Friday. Hey, I want to take a second real quick and actually go over a strategy that I want you guys to start implementing within your trading, arsenal, I guess you could say. There's so many ways that you can use these metrics, but, I haven't gone over this bottom indicator here, this dashboard where it shows money that's flowing in and out. And how can we use this more to show, all right, if we're in a big trade coming up, a couple signals this morning that I want to go over. That ended up producing 50 points, then 85 points, specifically at that range, and it told you to get out at that point. How do you know how to use this? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and enlarge this real quick, bring it up. So this is our main dashboard on the bottom here. So also, I want to give a shout out here real quick. Xavier, thank you so much for sending over your certificate. You have now passed 5 of your 50K accounts, and I couldn't be more proud of you using these metrics. It is so amazing to see people literally every single week getting to their certificate stage, going to pro, and just having such an amazing experience. So I just want to give a quick shout out to Xavier there. Just well done. I'm so proud of you. But you guys, this is on the 2-minute time frame. Why did I choose a 2-minute time frame? I'm also getting the question, Justin, I know your preferred time frame is 1 minute, and it is, you guys. I love the 1-minute time frame. There are traders that have more time during the day than myself who wants to just get on and get out within maybe 20 to 30 minutes. If you have something longer to, let's say 30 minutes to an hour, can you use a higher time frame and capitalize on more moves? Actually, yeah, you really potentially can. And this is the way that I want you to look at your charts and try to break this down. Not only can you look at this data box here, and you guys, if you're new to this, for me, I have this displayed at 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes. For me personally, this is just my own personal thing. I don't care any time frame above the 5 minute because that's just too long. If I'm scalping the 1 or 2 minute time frame, I don't need to know what the hour or the 4 hour is, right? I just need to know what the immediate charts are that are just a couple time frames higher. Right now, the candle, this is literally telling you the candle right now on that time frame. Is it green or red? Is it bullish? Is the background color overall bullish? Is the profit wave? This is the profit wave, you guys. That's bullish. Money flow, that means the money flow. I'm going to go over here in a second. That's bullish. Everything's green, green, green. So this is where if you have your dashboard that's all green, think of it as like you're at a stoplight and it's going green and it turns green. You're just going to go. If you're just going to go, that's what I want you to do. Just take these positions and just let those suckers run and see how much. But when you let those positions run, how do you know when you're like, okay, pump the brakes for a second. Let's figure out how do we capitalize on the biggest move before we could potentially see a decrease backwards before continuing up higher. So this is what I want you guys to do. Take a look at these two signals. I want you guys to go back on your chart this morning. This is right here at 6:32 and then also here at 7:38. I'm going to show you guys the settings here. If you guys are new to this as well, put your MA filter on and your chop filter off. These are the settings that I love. Put your MA filter, put it set to 200. That is literally just this line right here showing bullish or bearish activity. So 2 signals. I'm going to go over 2 signals this morning that you could have played yourself that resulted in 50 points, which you guys know, my favorite, trade with 50K accounts on take profit. I'll go over a deal that they have going on right now in a second. Because 50 points, do you guys realize that's $500 with 5 micros trading? And if you have 5 accounts, that's $2,500. This is $850. So let's just say 80. 8 times 5 is 4,000, right? So you're looking at $6,500 profit right here by using this simple strategy that I'm going to go over. So what I look at, this is your buy signal right here. Look at your money momentum down here. I want you guys to think of this like a pyramid, right? So on a pyramid, on the left-hand side, you're kind of stepping up, right? Boom, 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 boom. The moment you kind of start stepping the other way and kind of coming back down, that's where money starts flowing out of the market and can be a reversal time. Now take this one step further and you see how this top red section is a brighter red and this is more of a faint red, right? So this top one, think it's like your stove, you have it like it's heating up, it's super red. You're like, ow, shoot, that's hot. I should probably get out of it. Get out of it, right? So what do? If that green band here or this line is stepping up and it steps into this top section here, get out of that trade and secure some profit. What happened right when that got into this area? You had this candle form. When that candle formed, this ended up resulting from entry 50 points just on that alone. Now, could you say, oh, I want to get more and more? Guys, don't get greedy. 10 points a day can absolutely change your life. You do 10 points a day with 5 micros, with 5 accounts, that's $500. What if you can do that within a half an hour when you first open up your charts? I know a lot of people that don't earn $500 in a day at their day job that they're spending 8, 9, 10 hours. Sometimes even longer if you have a commute, right? Treat trading as a hobby that you do the least amount of time but make the most amount of money. So that's one example. Let's go over here, another buy signal. right at the candle close. This is how I would enter. Right to end, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, do a countdown to bar close, enter in a market order. Don't do a limit order, you're not going to get filled. Just do a market order. Will you have a little bit of slippage on this? Sure, everyone's going to. The market moves quick with NQ. You just want to get in. Now, let's analyze this together. Down on the dashboard, what was really good with this as well? Everything was green. Green, green, green. Guys, the reason you're going to get this buy signal illuminated is because you have a strong bullish Hiekin Ashi candle. You know, a bullish candle is a full body on the bottom, wick out the top. We changed from red to green, the first changeover. The profit wave is green as well. So background, candle, profit wave, 333. Take it one more step, 444, down here. So when this started stepping up, 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 are we in the top yet? Nope, that wasn't too bad. Came back down right here. When this touched that area, you touch the stove, hot, off, get out. Right here, 85 points. Do I care about this? No. I can show you guys how to do continuational trades that you can do even more with this. I'll make another video on it because there's an entry right here that you could have made money. There's an entry right here that you could have made money. Guaranteed, stop loss, take profit, you would have made money. That's a video that's going to come. It's actually what I go over with quite a bit in my one-on-one trainings if you guys want to do that. Because here's two examples. How do you use this money flow index down here? If money is the biggest indicator that I like to look at, if money's flowing in, price is going to increase. Look at this. Money's flowing, price is increasing. Money's flowing, price is increasing. We start going red, that's when price is decreasing. So couple this of just green means go. Green 200, we're only looking to go longs. We're looking for that first changeover. Entry, go. Entry, go. Two examples literally right here of $500, $800 this morning. Times by 5, $6,500. Absolutely incredible. Because if you're new to this, you can actually grab all of these metrics that I use and I go over on a daily basis. Lifetime access, no monthly fees, free upgrades forever. Seriously, we're on version 5. I can see version 6, 7, 8 coming out and just increasing these better and better. You'll never pay for upgrades, ever. Seriously. Xavier, add you to the leaderboard down here. Absolutely incredible. Now 12 people who have passed all 550K accounts. If you guys are interested in one-on-one trainings, I can absolutely set that up for you as well. The link to Calendly is actually in the description below here. Let's look at a review here. I'm going to pass my first eval this week thanks to Justin and this system. I'm so grateful to you, mate. SMM is powerful. Stick to the rules, trade during peak times, and you'll be successful. You know, it's so true. It is so true, you guys. And when you're over here, take a moment. Seriously, for a moment, just look through these 5-star reviews. See if there's anything that resonates to you as well. You know, I work with people in over now 72 to almost 80 countries. I'll have to do an update on that to get the exact, but I know last time I checked it was 72 countries. And it's people from literally 18 years old to 90 years old. Like, I'm not kidding you guys. This is what I want to do. This is my passion that I do as my first business in the morning. I'm also involved in, I own a microbrewery and also a restaurant in my town that we actually just converted over to a community-owned asset, which has allowed me to have more time doing this business that I'm really passionate about and to help as many people as possible. You know, if you guys want more of a live, in-depth, couple times a week, I've actually partnered with Ron where you can see live price action during the week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and you can do this right now and subscribe to it. We've had about 270 people already subscribe to this and get a lot of good education on how to use these metrics in a live environment. I know when I post these videos, these are after the fact, and I try to jam pack them full of education. My live personal trades that you guys have seen so many times, me taking from entry to exit and making money, that is what we go over in this training. You know, right now I am going to extend this for a bit longer if you guys want to. Normally $149, right now it's just $99 a month. You know, 8 trainings. It literally comes out to $12 a training, and it's some of the best education you'll probably ever receive with a 20+ year veteran trader and coach. So I want this to be something that I can educate you guys as much as possible, show you examples like this, know what to look for. I want this to be something where I can teach you a lifelong skill that you can pass down to your kids, your family, anyone else, and to really just see the success that so many others have had. So guys, I'm going to end it with that. Hope you guys found a lot of education in this. Enjoy your weekend, and congratulations to everyone who passed their accounts. Congratulations to everyone who ended up making money within the live training sessions the last couple times this week. We have a new one that starts on Tuesday this next week. But take care, you guys. God bless. Have an amazing weekend.